of the ways that ROGO delivers unparalleled accuracy in soil sampling is location. Let's talk about what's at stake. We all know that hotspots can exist in a field, and they can vary in size, but they can be pretty small. So in a grid sampling scenario, if we sample outside of the hotspot several sampling iterations, then one of the sampling iterations sample 30 feet in a different location inside that hotspot, it's creating artificial noise. In a zone sampling scenario, we still have those same problems with hotspots, but we also have, within that zone, could have significantly different levels of nutrients. And so how many cores we take in each zone has a big impact. That's why many of our clients who are doing zone sampling are recording their core locations so that they can repeat them year to year. And how well you repeat those can have a big impact. And it all comes down to year repeatability. If we have one of those hotspots and create artificial variance, we could be making bad decisions on how we manage that area of the field. So what are the problems that are causing this? Well, one, we have what GPS is used. Some use RTK level GPS, but many are using iPads, or even if they're plugging an auxiliary GPS into their iPad, all of that is floating or uncorrected GPS and can range from 10 to 30 feet in accuracy. On top of that, we have the human error involved. Even when you're trying to do a good job, if you're running hard, trying to get acres done, you have a small screen, stopping at the exact right location can be difficult. In addition to that, you have then walking around the machine and hitting those cores accurately and repeatably. How ROGO solves this problem is we have RTK level GPS accuracy at 1 inch, absolute. So we can repeat that several years down the road, no problem. This also enables high quality boundary recordings for our clients. We also have auto drive, which not only steers, but starts and stops the robot at exactly the right positions within 3 feet anytime we're trying to execute a core location. Lastly, we all know that robots sometimes make the wrong decisions. So our operators can avoid obstacles, and if allowed by the client, they can also move sampling points if they're in an undesired agronomic location. For example, next to a waterway or a field boundary. And then they can record the reason that was moved, and then we can repeat that new point moving into the future. All in all, this is how ROGO solves the location part of unparalleled accuracy in soil sampling.